Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use narrative voices in 11 Labs. So the first thing you have to do is to go to the 11 Labs website and choose the voices option here. Once you click on it, all you have to do now is to go to the section called library section. This library section, you can see that it is in the my voices section. So there are three sections here: my voices, library, collections. Click on the library section and you would see an array of voices for you to choose from, and then what you just do is to click on the narrative and story section. So once you click on the narrative and story section, it would create a list of voices for you to choose from that would be suitable for your narration or your story. So you can click on each of these voices to sample them, and you would get a glimpse of, or you hear the voice that is expected from each of these voices. So this, we've clicked on the first one. Let's see how it sounds.
Halo sahabat, jika kamu
Okay, so this is an Indonesian man. Let's click on this second
It
one.
wasn't the storm that changed her.
Okay, good. Let's click on this Canadian female.
The shallow reefs are but a
So this is how to choose a narrative voice for your project. Thank you very much and do have a great day.